Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today we will be diving into the process of replacing the original keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga laptop. Before you begin, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you perform the replacements safely and effectively. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. To start, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you're unsure about handling this part, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring that you can get expert help if needed. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the keyboard ribbon cable, which is typically attached near the top of the laptop. Carefully disconnect this ribbon by gently pulling it out of the socket. If you're not comfortable doing this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Now, it's time to remove the old keyboard. Look for additional screws or clips that might be holding it in place. Remove these with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the keyboard is free, you can lift it out of the laptop. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean the area where the keyboard sits. Use a soft cloth or an air duster to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure a proper fit and functionality of the new keyboard. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points inside the laptop. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Remember to reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly seated in the socket. At this point, you're almost done. Before closing up the laptop, it's a good idea to test the new keyboard. Temporarily power on your laptop and check if all keys are functioning correctly. If everything looks good, power down the device again. Now, reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace all the screws you took out earlier to secure the back panel. If you find yourself needing assistance or would prefer to have it done professionally, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. And remember, our services include no calls and no travel, making it easy for you to get the help you need without hassle. With the new keyboard successfully installed, your Lenovo Yoga is ready to go. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.